Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're signed in and ready. Open the post you want to edit and place the cursor where the link belongs. Highlight the anchor text that will become clickable. This makes the step precise. Once done, click the link icon in the editor toolbar or switch to HTML if you need manual control. Make sure to choose whether the link opens in the same tab or a new tab so reader flow stays intentional. You now insert the URL. Paste the full address and preview it quickly by opening in a new tab. If you use the dialog, add a descriptive title attribute for accessibility and optionally check the box to open in a new tab. For precise control, switch to HTML and add rel equals newpener when using target equals blank to improve security. Once formatted, toggle back to compose to confirm visuals. Finish by previewing the post and clicking the link to verify it goes to the right destination and opens in the intended tab. Once satisfied, publish or schedule the post. Make sure to check on mobile because link behavior can differ. If the link is broken, inspect the URL for typos, remove unnecessary tracking parameters, and clear your browser cache. If a page blocks embedding, consider linking to an intermediary landing page instead.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.